Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside? You won't believe the result. Start by grating 2 potatoes. That's right, grate them very finely. The thinner they are, the crispier they'll be later. Write down this tip. After grating, place the potatoes in a bowl, cover them with water, and set aside. Now, take a chicken breast and cut it in half, just like shown in the video. Season with salt to taste on both sides. Nothing complicated, but it already makes all the difference. Set it aside as well. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Add water little by little and mix until it becomes a smooth paste, not too thick and not too thin. Done. Now set this mixture aside. Now we go back to the grated potatoes. Drain the water well and place the potatoes on a plate. On another plate, add cornstarch. Season with salt and black pepper. This seasoning already gives it a special touch. Now comes the best part, breading. Take the chicken breast and first coat it in the dry cornstarch. Then dip it into the cornstarch and water paste. And finally, wrap the chicken well with the grated potatoes, gently pressing so they stick nicely. Meanwhile, heat a frying pan over medium-high heat with plenty of oil. Carefully place the chicken in the pan and fry until it's nicely golden and crispy. When it's fried on one side, flip it to fry the other side. Guys, look at that texture! If you love crispy food, leave a like. After frying, remove it and let it drain a bit. And to finish, drizzle a simple sauce on top, made with mayonnaise, ketchup, and mustard. Mix everything and spread it over the chicken. It's insanely good! Now tell me, where are you watching this video from? Would you make this recipe at home? Leave a comment and let me know what you think. If you liked it, save this video, share it with someone who loves chicken, and follow me so you don't miss the next recipes.